morning, everyone. Good morning, debaters, and to all the students. This house will come to order. I am pleased to welcome you all for this debate session. The topic being debated today is it good for elementary pupils to have direct access to social network like Facebook? Seated on my right are the affirmative side. The first affirmative speaker, Michelle Bual. Second affirmative speaker, Joshua Delfino. Third affirmative speaker, Trixie Tion. Fourth affirmative speaker, Nicole Caban. Fifth affirmative speaker, Mel J. Enzo. And the last speaker, Hanime Amit. Please be seated. Speaking for the negative side will be the first speaker, Nicole Joey Ungayo. Second speaker, Rich Lian Dura. Third speaker, Pia Grucha. Fourth speaker, Kate Kat Consigna. Fifth speaker, Kirby John Pashola. And the last speaker, Cyril Cana. Please be seated. On behalf of the House, I extend a special welcome to our judges. Our first judge, Miss Maria Victoria Gloria, Master Teacher 1, Science Coordinator and School Sports Coordinator. Our next judge, Mrs. Jean Tapanan, Master Teacher 1, Campus Journalism Coordinator and English Coordinator. And our last judge, Miss Marilu Carpintero, English Teacher, LIS Coordinator. Welcome, judges. The clerk of the house is Miss Rondina. And I, Miss Jenny B. Sudaria, your moderator. To all the debaters, you have only 4 minutes to deliver your remarks. There will be a break of 2 minutes, after which the debaters will have a rebuttal. So the clerk, Ms. Rondina, will indicate how much speaking time is remaining by raising her hand. So after each debater sits down, I will immediately call on the next debater to begin his or her address. Questions will be permitted. And to all the judges, you are to penalize any debater who interrupts another debater thoughtlessly or excessively or lowers the level of debate. So are there any questions regarding the rules, debaters? No. I call upon the first affirmative speaker to deliver the resolution, define in terms, and outline the affirmative case.
Good morning, Ma'am. Good morning, fellow debaters, especially our judges. I'm Michelle Bual, the first affirmative speaker. I believe that Facebook is a popular free social networking website that allows registered users to create profiles, upload photos and video, send messages, and keep in touch with friends, family, and colleges. The site, which is available in 37 different languages, includes public features such as Marketplace, allows members to post, read and respond to classified ads. Groups, allows members who have common interests to find each other and interact. Events, allow members to publicize an event, invite guests and track who plans to attend. Pages, allows members to create and promote a public page built around a specific topic. Presence technology, allows members to see which contacts are online in chat. Within each member's personal profile, there are several key networking components. The most popular is our Goblin the Wall, which is essentially a virtual bulletin board. Message left on a member's wall can be text, video, or photos. Another popular component is the virtual photo album. Photos can be uploaded from the desktop or directly from the smartphone camera. There is no limitation on quantity, but Facebook stopped to remove inappropriate or copyright images. An interactive album features allow the members contact, who are generically called friends, to comment on each other's photos and identify tag people in the photos. Another popular profile component is status updates, a microblogging feature that allows members to broadcast short Twitter-like announcements to their friends. All interactions are published in a news feed, which is distributed in real time to the members' friends. Our team believes that Facebook is good for elementary pupils.
I thank the first affirmative speaker for her remark. Again, reminded judges that they should not finalize the debater's score until they have heard all the speeches. We shall now hear the first negative speech.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, my fellow debaters, especially the judges. I am Nicole Joey D. Umayo, the first negative speaker. There's nothing wrong with using Facebook, but children using social networks underage exposes them to danger. Around 59% of children have already used a social network by the time they are 10, and 43% of children have messaged strangers online by the age of 12. Facebook is the social network most likely to have underage members reaching its minimum age 13, with 52% of 8 to 16 years old admitting they had ignored the official age limit. Around 43% of the 1,004 children questioned by the social age study by notinet.org.uk said they had messaged strangers online, starting from an average age of 12. According to the survey, a child's social media development begins age 9 and over the next 4-year period. Their internet activity evolves from simply viewing content online to being active on social media. The greatest proportion of internet activity takes place when children reach 11 years of age. This is when they are likely to first post an image or video. We believe that Facebook is not good for elementary pupils.
Thank you, first negative speaker. I call upon the second affirmative speaker. The floor is yours.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, my fellow debaters and also our judges. My name is Joshua M. Delfino, the second affirmative speaker. Facebook offers a range of privacy options to its members. A member can make all his communication visible to everyone. He can block specific connection or he can keep all his communication private. Members can choose whether or not to be searchable, decide which part of their profile are public, decide what not to put in their news feed, and determine exactly who can see their posts. For those members who wish to use Facebook to communicate privately, there is a message feature which closely resembles email. In May 2007, Facebook opened up its developers platform to allow third-party developers to build applications and widgets that, once approved, could be distributed through the Facebook community. In May 2008, Facebook engineers announced Facebook Connect, a cross-site initiative that allows users to publish interactions on third-party partner sites in their Facebook news feed. We believe that Facebook is good for elementary pupils.
Thank